Whether your dad passed away at a young age or whether your mom doesn't want anything to do with you, the reality is you still got talent. There's something that you have that this world needs. My wife shared with the group of kids last week or the week before last, mentioned, you were born to solve a problem. So one of the keys is to discover what problem you're supposed to solve. Okay? Side note, people don't pay you for your complaining. Okay.
Man.
In the famous words of the one champ we met the one time, if you want to go complain, go work at the airport. Complain, complain, complain. He said it in a colored accent. He was from El Dorado Park, so you can already tell how hilarious that must have been. All right. Number 4, something all of us have in common is purpose and dreams. Every single one of us. But I don't know what my dream is. Just because you don't know what the dream is does not mean that you don't have one. But all of us has got a purpose, all of us has got a dream. Every one of us. How do I know this? Go spend time with little kids and ask them, what do they want to be one day? Guaranteed all of them are going to tell you something. Okay? Point number 5 over there is something that all of us have in common is destiny. Every one of us have got destiny in common. You're either going to go to the one H or the other H. That's heaven or hell. Like all of us are moving somewhere. All of us are going somewhere. We had the other champ at the school ask us and say to us, well, listen, what happens if I don't believe in God? I say, well, bro, that's your decision. That's your choice. My wife and I decided to believe in God, and listen, we're doing fine believing in God. We got peace, there's joy, there's happiness, there's fullness, there's fulfillment. So if you don't want to believe in God, it's like your choice. But how can you say that God loves people but He sends people to hell? No, we're already on our way there. Jesus is the lifeboat into the promised land.